informing you some job notification and which will be helpful to you. Guys, today's world is mainly dependent upon the online job, from your shopping to transfer your money, or from any type of things you have to buy, and the project work and also the study are also completely dependent upon the online communication. So here I am telling you that type of job, this job which I will go to describe. This job is completely you can say that is one type of freelancing job, and also it is the home based job, and this is obviously portable for you, and this is the job which you have to do through your online. So what is the job, who can apply, what is the key skills, all the things I am going to discuss in this video. So if you interested to see this video, so follow the video till the end. And one thing is that you all know, probably you all know, and you have faced my videos in before, that my video is related about the job information, though this is a government job, private job, or home based or part-time work job, and also some engineering tutorial and the steps how to get intro in the engineering degree, that means the class 12 exam studies. And one thing is that I will inform you that I am going to teach, or I am going to share some skills how to develop the physics subject in my channel also, and it will be coming soon, and please wait and stay connected. So what you have to do, just click the subscription box and also click all, because when I will put any type of videos related this type of subjects, you will be notified at that time. So let's get started. So the company, that is Cure.fit, probably you all have to know about these apps, that they always serve that for the fun, love, ease of fit, isn't it? So guys, here the Cure.fit is an innovative combination of the engagement and coaching and delivery through a combination of online and offline channels. Through this solution, consumers will be able to enjoy the better quality of life, and they must be probably get recovery soon. And with the help of these apps, or with the help of this type of online coaching, one should follow their proper diet, what you have to eat in a day. So today's video is dedicated those people who have completed their degree MSc or in biotechnology, and also some dietitian courses has completed. So those candidates can apply only for this job. You most probably all know that the Cure.fit is a mobile app that takes a holistic approach towards the health and fitness by bringing together all aspects of the healthy lifestyle on a single platform. So from the company named Cure Food Private Limited has announced the job notification for the post of obviously a dietitian post, and he or she have to serve through the online some video chatting. So the circle, that means the posting circle, is Faridabad, Guwahati, Delhi, NCR, Lucknow, Greater Noida, and Gurgaon. Now come here, those people have also some 1 to 6 years experience. She or he must be preferable for this particular job. Now come here, the job description, where the position is obviously health coach, that means nutritionist or dietitian. Qualification obviously MSc in food, nutrition and dietetics subject, and experience where 1 to 6, more than 6, that means up to 1 to 10 years old years experiences candidates can apply for this job, and that is obviously flexible work from home job. Now come here some key responsibility, that what you have to do for this job, that means educate and counsel on lifestyle and nutritional issues, and plan and initiate some nutrition therapy to the patients if indicated by patients' requirements and clinical protocol. And obviously one thing is that evaluate and assessment some nutrition status of that patient, and properly screening of their patient must be required. So I think you got understand that what you have to serve for that particular post. Now come here for the desired background, okay, by which one should select for that post. That is obviously your experience, that must be 1 to 10 years in some nutrition or dietitian field background, and obviously you have to get MSc degree on food or nutrition or some dietitian degree, deep understanding of consumer issues and empathy and the connect, and openness to the training and adapting to protocols developed at the care.fit, and personal benefit of fitness, mindfulness, and obviously some healthy lifestyle. The point is how to apply for this job. So go and check the link I will mention in my description box, and you also see the screenshot, that is cure.fit. Go and check there. They are apply through a form, and when your document are verified, they will contact with you. So proper email ID and proper your phone number must be mentioned there. So hope for the best. So I think guys, today's world is also depending on the online and some work from home, and this must be one of the most important posts from the work from home job. So if you helpful, then write in my comment section below that this type of job if you want to know, and what type of job you want to know, then please write in my comment section below, and I will definitely try my best to fulfill your desire. And thanks for watching guys. Take care, goodbye, stay safe, stay healthy, and obviously stay in your